Hello friends, I am Dr. Neha Roy. Today I'll be sharing some info about this disease called black fungus or mucormycosis. I'm sure you must be hearing lot of news about this fungus on one or the other social media. So I'm making this short video to make you aware about this disease. I'll be covering the points like who are the patient at risk, what are the signs, symptoms, what are the precautions to be taken, and what is the management. Briefly, we'll discuss about the management part. It is an opportunistic fungal infection which mainly affects patients with pre-existing medical illnesses. So, who are the patients who are at risk of this disease? Patients with uncontrolled diabetes, patients with suppressed immunity who are on the immunosuppressive therapy, patients with prolonged ICU stays, and the most important in the present scenario are the patients with COVID infections with moderate to severe grade infection who are on steroids or on immunomodulators like tocilizumab. So what are the signs and symptoms of this disease? One should be aware of that so you can seek to medical advice or to your consulting physician, as it affects our nose, eyes, and the paranasal sinuses. One can have sinusitis or nasal block or some nasal discharge which could be bloody or in blackish in coloration. One, one could have pain over the cheekbones. There could be one-sided facial pain, numbness, swelling also there could be. So one can also present with blurring of vision, double vision with pain or fever. So what are the things to be taken care of in the present scenario of the COVID-19 infection? So what are the precautions? Many patients with COVID are diabetics. They could be uncontrolled diabetes or controlled diabetes. Once patients are put on steroids, their sugars tend to rise. So there should be strict control of the sugars. Patients who are on oral tablets, if they are not controlled with oral tablets, they should not hesitate to go on insulins. Once the steroid dose are tapered, they could get back to their oral tablets. One should not use steroids without the prescription of their consulting physician, as many patients are on a home oxygen therapy. So sterile water should be used in the humidifiers of the oxygen therapy. Do not miss the warning signs and symptoms of this black fungus, as I explained you in my previous note. Do not consider all the cases with blocked nose as simple bacterial sinusitis, especially in the present scenario of this COVID-19 infection. So one should not hesitate to consult to their physicians for aggressive investigations. So timely intervention and management can save lives. And briefly now we'll discuss about the management part. So it's the control of sugars strictly with either with the subcutaneous insulins or the intravenous insulins, and systematic hydration along with antifungal therapy like amphotericin B and posaconazole. I hope I have covered the salient points. I have cleared your doubts. Thank you one and all.